Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's grammar topic is pronoun. There will be a multiple choice question and each question carries 1 mark. So let's start solving the question together. First question. Which of the following is a possessive pronoun? Options are she, it, his, we. These are the 4 options. Now can you identify the possessive pronoun out of these 4 options? It is option C, his. If you got it right, give yourself 1 mark. Okay. Next question. This is my sister. Dash name is Riya. Which word should I put in this blank? Options to fill this blank are his, her, your, our. These are the 4 options. Now, which one is correct out of these 4 options? Is option A correct? Is B correct? Is C correct? Or D is correct? Which one is correct? Those who are saying option B are absolutely right. Well done. This is my sister. Her name is Riya. Let's see what is question number 3. Okay, question number 3 is choose the correct pronoun. Rohan and I are going to the park. Dash are excited. Which word should I put in this blank? Options are we, they, you, he. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Which one should I put in this blank to complete the sentence? It is option A. Rohan and I are going to the park. We are excited. Okay, let's move on to the next question, which is question number 4. Which sentence uses a pronoun incorrectly? You have to identify the sentence which uses the pronoun incorrectly out of these 4 sentences. So, look at the option very carefully. The first option, I gave him a pen. Next, she is my friend. Next, me am going to school. And the last, they are eating lunch. These are the 4 sentences. Now identify the sentence where pronoun is used incorrectly. It is option C, me am going to school. Okay. This is the wrong sentence. Here pronoun is used incorrectly. Now you have to tell me in the comment section below what will be the correct sentence. Correct the sentence and write it in the comment section below. Okay. Okay, next one. I have a dog. Dash loves to run. Which word should I put over here? Options are he, it, they, you. These are the 4 options. Which one should I put in this blank, or which one is the correct option? It is option B. I have a dog. It loves to run. Now I have a tiny task for you. Mention in the comment section below which is your favorite English grammar topic. Okay, let's move on to the next question, which is question number 6. Question number 6 is which of these is an object pronoun? Options are I, you, me, we. These are the 4 options. Now identify out of these 4 options which is an object pronoun. Is it option A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Which one is the object pronoun out of these 4 options? It is option C, me. Okay, next question, question number 7. Is this your book? What type of pronoun is your? Is it a reflexive pronoun? Is it a possessive pronoun? Is it a demonstrative pronoun? Or is it a subject? These are the 4 options. Now, can you identify which type of pronoun is your out of these 4 options? It is option B, possessive. Question number 8. Choose the correct pronoun to complete the sentence. The children are happy. Dash won the game. Which word should I put in this blank? Options to fill this blank are he, we, they, it. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option C. The children are happy. They won the match. Sorry, they won the game. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 9. Okay. Question number 9 is, which of the following is the correct pair of subject and object pronoun? Okay, here you have to find the correct pair of subject and object pronoun. Okay, these are your options: I, my, he, him, they, their, you, your. Now, can you identify the correct pair of subject and object pronoun out of these four options? It is option B, he, him. Okay, so question number 10, the last question. Mother made a cake. She gave dash to me. Which word should I put in this blank? Options are it, her, he, him. These are the four options. Which one is correct out of these four options? Okay, before I tell you the answer of this question, if you find my videos useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also mention in the comment section below what is your score out of 10. Okay. So coming back to the question, these are the four options. Which one is correct? Those who are saying option A are absolutely right. Well done. Mother made a cake. She gave it to me. With that, we come to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning all of you.